In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show dependencies in Microsoft Project. Dependencies are the links that tell your schedule what needs to happen first, and they're essential for making a realistic plan. When dependencies are set up and visible, you can immediately see how one task affects the next and where delays might ripple through your timeline. Start in the Gantt chart view, which is the default and the easiest place to see dependencies. Go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart. On the right, you'll see the timeline with taskbars, and on the left, your task list. If your tasks are already linked, you'll notice small arrows connecting the bars, showing the flow from one task to the next. Those arrows are your dependencies. If you don't see any arrows, your tasks may not be linked yet. Select two tasks in the order they should flow. Then go to the Task tab and click Link Tasks, the chain icon. You can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl plus F2 in some versions or Ctrl plus F in others. This creates a finish to start dependency, the most common type, where the first task must finish before the next can begin. As soon as you link them, arrows will appear in the Gantt chart. If arrows still aren't visible, check your display settings. Go to the Format tab, open the Layout or Bar Styles options, and make sure Link Lines and Task Dependencies are turned on. This ensures the lines are drawn between tasks. If the lines feel cramped, try adjusting your zoom or timescale so the connections are easier to follow. For a clearer picture of complex relationships, switch to the Network Diagram. Go to the View tab and choose Network Diagram. Here, each task appears as a box, with arrows showing the flow from predecessors to successors, almost like a process map. It's a great way to see the big picture, especially when your project has many parallel paths or when you want to trace how a change in one area might affect others. If you want to confirm what a single task depends on, right-click the task, choose Task Information, and open the Predecessors tab. You'll see a list of tasks it relies on. In plain terms, if Task A must finish before Task B starts, then Task B depends on Task A. That's it. Use the Gantt chart to see and create links. Adjust the layout to show lines clearly. Explore the network diagram for visualization and check the Predecessors tab to understand relationships.